Hi there! You found us here at Storytime with Miss Becky. I'm Miss Becky, and this is our friend Bear who loves to read along with you. Bear has a question for you. Do you ever wish you could help the Tooth Fairy? Lots of yeses, Bear. Well, Pete the cat says he'll help out. Let's put on the magic reading glasses and go with Pete as he brings a coin to each cool kid, and also see what Pete will do when one kid doesn't have a tooth. Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth by James Dean. Pete lost a tooth. Put it under your pillow, his mom says. The Tooth Fairy will come. Pete puts the tooth under his pillow. He closes his eyes. He hears a jingle. It is the Tooth Fairy. I am very busy tonight, she says. I can help, says Pete. Great. She gives Pete magic wings. He can fly. Visit these cool kids, says the Tooth Fairy. Just take the tooth and leave a coin, she says. Pete is ready to go. Callie is first on the list. There is Callie's lost tooth. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Callie. Alligator is next on the list. Look, Alligator's lost tooth. Careful, it is very sharp. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Alligator. Gus the Platypus is next on the list. Uh-oh. Where is the tooth? The tooth is not here. The tooth is not there. The tooth is not anywhere. Where is Gus's lost tooth? The lost tooth is lost. Does Pete panic? Nope. He knows what to do. Look, Gus is awake. Where is your tooth, Gus? Pete asks. Platypuses do not have teeth, says Gus. But I still want to be a part of the Tooth Fairy fun. No worries, says Pete. Pete puts a coin under Gus's pillow. Thank you, Gus says. You're welcome, says Pete. Good night, Gus. Great work, Pete, says the Tooth Fairy. No problem, says Pete. Not everyone is the same, but being kind is always cool. Bear's wondering, how do you think Gus felt when he got a coin too? They're saying, happy, Bear. Was Pete cool to help Gus have fun too? Yes, way to go, Pete. Bear says Pete would make a cool Tooth Fairy and a cool friend. Bear hopes you come back soon for more adventures in being kind and cool. Bye for now. Please subscribe.